Hold up, don't skip this. Click the link in the description right now, because this might be the most useful thing you find today. Here's why everyone's recommending it. It actually delivers. The performance is smooth, the design feels premium, and the user experience is unbelievably simple. It's one of those products that just works. No hassle, no confusion. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this good. But after trying it, I realized why so many people trust it. It's reliable, well-built, and far better than most alternatives. If you've been wanting something that's worth your time and money, something that actually